Ever opened a coding problem and got stuck before writing even one line? The issue is not coding, it's logical thinking. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to think like a programmer before you code. First, don't rush to code. You need to fully grasp what is happening. Ask yourself, what is the input? What is the output? What exactly is the problem asking? Be specific. If you can't explain the problem in simple words, you're not ready to code yet. Next, break the problem into smaller, manageable steps. Take a simple example. Find the largest number in an array. Break it down. Start with the first number, then compare it with the next one. Update the maximum if you find a larger one and repeat until the end. Now it's clear and easy. Step 3. Test your logic manually before touching the keyboard. Let's test it. 3, 7, 2, 9. Start with 3, compare with 7. 7 is bigger, so update. Compare with 2, ignore it. Compare with 9. Update to 9. Final answer is 9. If it works on paper, it will work in code. Now write pseudocode. This is your bridge between logic and syntax. Write simple steps. Take the first element as your maximum. Then loop through the entire array one by one. If the current element is greater than your max, update it. Finally, print the max. Notice, no syntax, just pure logical steps. Step 5 is critical. Think about the edge cases. Ask yourself, what if the array is empty? What if all values are the same? Thinking about these scenarios is where most bugs are caught. Preparing for the unexpected makes your code truly robust. So let's recap the strategy to master logical thinking. First, understand the problem. Second, break it into small steps. Third, do a dry run on paper. Fourth, write out your pseudocode. And finally, start coding. Great coders start with thinking, not typing. I hope this helps you tackle your next coding challenge with confidence. Follow for more coding tips and tech insights. See you in the next one.